Okay guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to make today a Windows to Go or portable Windows USB media. What that means is that you install Windows 10. I'm going to use Windows 10 in this case. You can do 7, 8 or 11. You install it on that USB drive and you can plug it on any machine and run Windows from that drive. You don't need to install it on the machine. You run it just from that drive. You save your files, you keep your files with you in your pocket, and put it on another drive wherever you go. And I'm going to use for this video the Walmart USB backup drive, USB-C 256 gigabytes that if you guys saw a previous video, a few videos ago that I reviewed it, and that's what I'm going to use for today since it's a Windows, since it's a USB 3.0. You can use 3.0 only for Windows 10 and up. For Windows 7, you must use Windows 2.0 because that's how it works. How to get the ISO file first? Let's get ISO from Windows itself. I'm not going to use any other ones, so let's download it. You click download here. It downloads the tool to create the media. We click open and install it as prompted. And when you get to this table right here, to this window right here, we do not want to upgrade this PC. We're creating installation media or USB flash drive for another PC. And then click next. In here, do not use recommended options for this PC because we're not installing it for this PC. We go here, we choose the language. We're going to leave it to English, Windows 10. I'm going to do it for both, because you might want to use it for any other system, which might be a 32-bit only. So, and we click next. USB flash drive, we're not going to use it for it right now. We're going to go to ISO file because we want to download the ISO file itself. We click next. We choose the place where we want to download it. I'm going to download it on my desktop. Click save. And depending on your internet connection, this might take from a few minutes to maybe an hour. It just depends how much internet speed you have. Okay, after the download has finished, we click finish because the file has been downloaded already. And the second thing we are going to do is go to this site, Hasleo Software. It's easyuefi.com. And I will leave a link on the description below to this file right here and to Windows 10 ISO files, so you'll have them already. I'm going to just use the free version. I already have it downloaded. I'm not going to go to the upgrade since the video that I'm making is about free, so you don't have to pay. Okay, here's Windows ISO file, and here's the software we're talking about. And first line of action will be to find our ISO file. We go here. Installation source will be your image file, which we go to desktop, Windows. Okay, and that's Windows Home x86, which Windows Home is the only one you can actually use on this free version, because the Windows Professional and Enterprise and all the others will be available only to the paid users. So in the free version, we'll go with what we have. Windows Home 86, you can choose the version you want to choose. I'm just going to go with default. Select destination drive. Here you be very careful, because at this point, if you choose the wrong drive, it will wipe it clean. So you will lose all your files if you hit the wrong drive. On my case, I know it's disk 11. I know it's the general USB flash disk from Walmart that I reviewed before, the USB-C SSD drive. And I'm going to click that one. GPT to UEFI, I'm going to leave that alone. Legacy, I'm going to leave that alone because to change it, we have to be premium users, and to enable BitLocker to put a password, you have to be a premium user as well. So we're going to skip all that. We're just going to make a plain vanilla style. We click proceed. Selected device needs to be formatted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yeah, I'm sure. I know which drive that is. And we click yes. And we wait for it to do its job. As you see here, elapsed time is going to start running. And the estimated time remaining will be calculated in a minute. So just enjoy! And now the operation has been completed successfully. And we click finish. And please select an installation source. We don't need that anymore because it's done. We click X. You go to our safely removed drive. Win2USB is right here. We remove it. And now we are ready to plug it into a computer. And in any case, I hope it helps somebody out there. And that's all I had. Bye!